In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this drawing. The assignment is 5.4 Properties of Geometric Solids. I'm going to go to Inventor, and I start out by going to Projects and verifying that I'm going to store my files in my folder, and select it by clicking on the folder, and you'll see a check next to it. Make sure that you have a check next to your folder. Select Done. I'm going to create a new part and a new sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to choose my line tool. I'm going to verify that I have snap on. This little icon here, that there's a little blue halo around the part, the icon. I'm going to go up a distance of, type in 2, tab, make sure that that reads 90 degrees and hit enter. I'm going to go across a distance of 1, down 1, and then across 2, down 1, and then back to the origin. I'm going to select the green check. I'm going to extrude out a distance of 2, hit the green check. I'm going to create a sketch on that surface. Draw a rectangle, and I'm going to position here at minus 1.5, 1, and draw down, and let's go to 1 inch. Go down 0.75 and across 1. Check. I'm going to hit the green check. And I'm going to extrude. I'm going to use the cut feature. And I'm going to go through all. Hit check. I'm going to create a sketch on this surface. Choose the rectangle tool. Position my cursor here at 2 minus 1.5 and go up, make this 0.625 and go up 1.25 and hit check. And once again, I'm going to extrude, choose my cut feature, and choose through all. Hit the green check. I'm going to come up to Properties, right click. I'm going to point to the part icon. I'm going to go to iProperties. I'm going to select iProperties. Go to Physical tab, and I'm going to specify the material to be aluminum 6061. Common grade of aluminum. And notice that once I specify the material, it lists the density of the part here in metric format. But it lists the properties of the model that I just created here: the mass, the surface area of the part, and the volume, all listed here. And I'm going to import these numbers into my drawing. So I'm going to hit apply and OK. I'm going to save my part. I'm going to call it 5.4. Properties of Geometric Solids. I'm going to create a new drawing. Place my base view. I'm going to change the scale of the part to 2, a little bit bigger. Place it approximately there. Put down my side view, my top view, and an ISO view here. I'm going to right mouse click and hit create. I'm going to go ahead and double click on this pink line that surrounds the ISO view. And I'm going to select this icon here, shaded, and change the size to 1:1. Make it a little smaller. Hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and dimension this part, and I'm going to choose Annotate, choose Dimension. So when you're dimensioning a part, you're going to have at least 3 dimensions. This part will take a total of 11 dimensions, but I'm going to specify the width. Select this line here, and there's the width of the part. Also need to specify the height. I'm going to select this line here and this line here. And I need to specify the depth of the part. So those 3 dimensions are required. Now, I also need to specify this in the front view, this feature here and this feature here. So I'm going to point to this line and enter that dimension. Point to this line here and enter that dimension. Now now we have a total of 5 dimensions. Now each of these features, this notch here and this notch, will require 3 dimensions each. The location of the notch, the width of the notch, and the depth. So that'll be a total of 6 more dimensions. So I'll specify this dimension here, and then the width of the notch, and also the depth of the notch. I'm going to do the same over here, the location, the width, and the depth. So there's my part, fully dimensioned, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dimensions. I'm also going to specify the properties of this model, of this part. I'm going to come up to text, this large A icon. I'm going to position my cursor right about there, and I'm going to get my text tool, my text window. I'm going to come up here I'm going to type in material, colon, space. I'm going to come up here and choose model properties, model. And from this menu, I'm going to choose material. And I'm going to select this little icon here. You notice it places a parameter there at my cursor location. Hit return. I'm going to type in volume, colon, space. I'm going to come back up here and choose physical properties of the model. I'm going to choose the volume. And once again, I'm going to select this icon here. Enter. Just select mass, type in mass, colon. This is the weight of the part. Come over here and choose mass. Once again, select this icon. Enter. Type in surface area, colon, space, and come up here and select area. Once again, select this icon, hit OK, and there are the properties of my part, the material volume, the mass in pounds, and the surface area in square inches. So I'm going to go to, well, first of all, I'm going to save my drawing. 5.4 geometric properties of geometric solids, hit save. And then I'm going to export my part to PDF. And once you do that, you could submit that PDF file to LMS to complete your assignment.